What if I told you there are hidden gems in the world of AI that could outperform even ChatGPT? Sounds intriguing, right? Well, today I'm diving into the secret vault of AI tools that no one is talking about yet. Now, ChatGPT has been the talk of the town for a while, but in the shadows there are some serious contenders rising. These tools are not making headlines just yet, but trust me, they are game changers. So why haven't you heard about them? Well, it's simple. They're still under the radar, but they won't be for long. Developers and tech insiders have been experimenting with these tools, and the results are jaw-dropping. In today's video, I'm going to give you an exclusive sneak peek into 3 AI tools that could potentially dethrone ChatGPT. We'll explore their unique features, run some live demos, and I'll give you my honest reviews. First up, an AI that claims to understand and generate human-like text even better than ChatGPT. Can it really? You'll have to watch to find out. Then we've got a tool designed for niche applications, think hyper-specialized knowledge. How does it fare in real-world tests? Stay tuned. And finally, a revolutionary AI that combines text, images, and video in ways you've never seen before. Could this be the future of AI interaction? I'll break down each tool's strengths and weaknesses, and by the end you'll know if they're worth your time, so stick around, hit that like button if you're excited, and let's jump right in. Alright, let's get started with our first AI contender. Roll the demo.